Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way, a place where you can find multiple recipes using one food product. Today we are making this delicious chocolate zucchini bread that is soft and moist, and we don't even need an oven or use any oil. First, combine the wet ingredients together. The whole milk plain yogurt is my secret to get that moisture and the richness without using the oil. In a separate bowl, combine the dry ingredients: whole wheat flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, ground cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Now it's time to grate the zucchini with a box grater. Use the piano that has small holes to grate the zucchini. Zucchini has lots of water. We need to squeeze out the water so we will not have soggy bread. Place the grated zucchini inside a clean towel, then squeeze the towel a few times. Now combine the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Then add the zucchini. Make sure the zucchini is evenly mixed throughout without lumps. Grease a 9x5 loaf pan with oil spray. Then transfer the batter into the loaf pan. Heat up 6 cups of water. When you see little bubbles with some steam coming off, you are ready to place the loaf pan inside the frying pan. Cover with lid and let it steam on medium-high for 40 minutes. The bread's done when the toothpick comes out clean. Take the bread out of the pan after it has cooled. See how soft and moist this chocolate zucchini bread is? Here's your delicious and chocolatey, no bake and no oil zucchini bread. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. See you next time.